Call or text vote to 444-8806. In chronological order, from the great sounds of Africa to an even greater sound from Jamaica, delivering the medley of the year, here is
Godfrey Stewart High School.
Oh, sorry, just like ordinary people.
If you take a look inside, see the great things that people do.
Great things.
Changing life day and night. Nothing I do ever makes the news. Still I have to do what's right. To the King of all kings, all praises due. Yesterday I was on a train. A little boy asked me my name. He said, "Sir, I've seen you before. Tell me, who are you?" Said, "I am a legend. Heard of before. Said, "I am a lion. But you never heard me roar. I am a hero that nobody celebrates. But if one person remembers my name, that means I made a change. Oh, means I made a change." I know that I'm blessed, and I close my eyes and smile. Sometimes I feel like the richest man in Babylon, and I've done my best, so everything's alright inside. Oh, every time I rise, I know lift up my hands to the hills, I'm blessed, oh man. With my 2 hands in the air as far as I can. Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know that it is a blessing. So when the evening comes, skanking, everybody wanna be a skanking. Forget the trouble and run,
Mesmerized, big up, and thanks for learning the songs. It's good. Yeah. I like the 2 lead singers in the beginning, and the one doing the ad libs and the harmonies. Bad. Yo, respect. A number 11, top striker. Yeah, respect to to the director also for teaching them these songs. Yeah, man, bless.
Godfrey Stewart, nice medley. You start strong and end really strong. I mean, I think my favorite parts were the beginning and end. There's a little sketchy part in the middle there. You know, maybe taking some chances. Maybe it pay off, maybe it didn't pay off. But it's nice to take some chances too. You have to take chance. So good job.
Godfrey Stewart, I like the songs. Give yourselves a hand.
When it comes to choice of song, you have always been able to choose a song that we can relate to. I don't know the song at all. I mean, I don't know it, in detail. But I can see that you tried with it. There were some little parts that were a little bit off in the middle part of the song. But you usually rehearse your songs and you usually deliver it the best you can. And I'm just wishing you the best for next week.
This was